Hi guys, I would like to welcome you in this course about Python and OOP. It means object-oriented programming. So the first tutorial was about Python for beginners. The second was about Python and Turtle Graphics, where we practice everything from the Python for beginners. And now here is the third tutorial about OOP. It means about object-oriented programming. But at first I would like to create a guessing game. This guessing game in Python will be without OOP. So it means without object-oriented programming. Why? Because at first I would like to show you what does it mean to make a code without OOP, and after that we will take care about OOP, we will explain everything about OOP, and in the last lections, on the last videos, we will change this code without OOP to the code with OOP. Okay, so at first I would like to create some guessing game. I think, guys, it will be fun. So we can start.